Welcome back to Crypto Lion. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. On Sunday, August 15th, the popular meme-themed cryptocurrency DOGECOIN surged by 15.6%, following an 11.1% increase on the day before. DOGECOIN had ended the past week with an increase of almost 42% to a price of 34 cents. It started the day by falling to an intraday low of 28.6 cents before moving upwards. Moving above the major support level of 27.4 cents, DOGECOIN went ahead to create an intraday high of 35 cents. It's broken through the aforementioned resistance level at 30.6 cents and the second resistance at 31.8 cents. DOGECOIN has also significantly broken through the 23.6% Fibonacci level of 30.1 cents. The coin has tested the third major resistance level at 35 cents, and at the time of recording, the coin is up by 1.11% to 34.5 cents. For the coming days, DOGECOIN will need to steer clear of the 32.5 pivot to bring the resistance level at 36.4 into play. In the event of another breakout, DOGECOIN could test resistance at the 38.2% Fibonacci of 38.5 cents. The second major resistance level sits at 38.8 cents. If DOGECOIN falls through the 32.5 pivot, the 23.6% Fibonacci level of 30.1 cents will be brought into play. If the selling pressure is extended, DOGECOIN could go down even more. It's not really easy to figure out what's responsible for the upside move of DOGECOIN. However, it should be noted that the market is in a general uptrend and more retail investors continue to trade cryptocurrency massively. Recent quarterly financial reports from Coinbase Global, a leading trading app, stated that the monthly transaction users on its platform massively increased by around 44% just from the previous quarter. The trading volume also increased by around 38% during this time. DOGECOIN remains the seventh largest cryptocurrency by market cap. This means that as more people begin trading cryptocurrencies, DOGECOIN will be more visible for investors to buy. Initially, investors could not trade DOGECOIN on Coinbase, but the company began to provide support for the cryptocurrency on June 3rd. This helped to rake in nearly 9 million new users. As the demand for DOGECOIN surpasses its supply, the price of the coin will go up. Investors, though, are uncertain where DOGECOIN will go from here, and the topic is highly debated within the community. A recent poll of 42 crypto experts was done to determine their thoughts on the future of DOGECOIN. About 80% believe that DOGECOIN isn't meant to last, while some believe that the price will continue to go higher this year before dropping next year. The survey even shows some opining that the coin will reach $1 before the end of this year. The results from the poll show a wide range of opinions, including claims that the coin might be completely worthless by the end of the year. The results obviously show that cryptocurrency experts are greatly divided, and that's because no one knows for sure what the future holds for DOGECOIN. When compared with stocks, it's quite difficult to develop a strong conviction in a DOGECOIN investment. Stocks can be easily trusted because they represent the stakes of an ownership in real business. It's easier to predict the future cash flows of a business with a lot of revenue. Therefore, investors can predict a bullish movement and then invest a decent part of their portfolios in promising opportunities. This is, however, not the case with DOGECOIN and other cryptocurrencies. This doesn't translate to mean that the price of DOGECOIN won't go higher, nor should it discourage you from investing in cryptocurrencies. Rather, it's advisable that you put your level of conviction in reality and invest wisely. Let's take a moment to run some analysis between DOGECOIN and the most valuable cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, to know if it's a good time to hold investments in these coins. In the wake of the 2008 economic recession, Bitcoin was created by an anonymous user with the name of Satoshi Nakamoto. The coin was created to be scarce by its design, philosophy, and nature. Bitcoin has a maximum circulating supply of 21 million coins, and there are already over 18 million coins in circulation. By 2140, it's believed that all of these coins would have been completely mined. However, 10,000 new DOGECOINs are created at every block at the rate of roughly 1 block per minute. There's an infinite supply of DOGECOIN, as almost 15 million DOGECOINs are created each day. There are currently over 130 billion coins in circulation. When Bitcoin was created, it was meant to be the first peer-to-peer electronic cash system that would be an alternative to an inefficient monetary system. Over time, Bitcoin has satisfied the criteria of a monetary system. It's used as a store of value, a medium of exchange, and a transferable asset. The main idea is that the money is to be an accessible asset which anyone can buy, sell, or store anytime and anywhere in the world. On the other hand, Dogecoin was created as a joke to mock other cryptocurrencies. And it was created in about 3 hours, forking from the available Bitcoin source code. Although Bitcoin and Dogecoin both have a great community, the significance of the Bitcoin community is very different from the Dogecoin community. Bitcoin has been on the market for more than 12 years, and it stood the test of time. Most of the owners of Bitcoin are well informed about the technology and philosophy of the Bitcoin project. They're the ones who challenge the status quo and advocate for the adoption of the technology that offers distributed, open source, and decentralized monetary systems. The fast growth of the Dogecoin community can be credited to hype and trends. A bunch of people who have no idea of the cryptocurrency platform just want to take the price of Doge to $10, $100, and so on, which might be close to impossible. Lifestyle celebrities with no basic understanding of the technology can ask fans to buy Doge and influence them, taking the market on a crazy ride. People who have seen the success of the Bitcoin project over the past decade know that as a technology, it can change not just the monetary system, but also the lives of its investors. Many of the crypto coins that have come into the market after the invention of Bitcoin have a similar graph to that of Bitcoin. If Dogecoin wants to rule the crypto world and be more popular, it has to offer something distinct that no other coin has ever offered. Dogecoin proponents need to quit asking questions and to begin taking action to make the cryptocurrency better than it currently is. Bitcoin is an accumulation game, unlike other investment assets like gold and stocks. The price is only rising on average, and this movement can be proved by a demand and support theory. The circulating supply of Bitcoin is greatly reduced, and there are over 100 million Bitcoin owners. The recent B-Word virtual Bitcoin event featured a live discussion between Jack Dorsey, Cathie Wood, and Elon Musk. The bulk of the conversation was based on why Bitcoin is taking over the world the same way the internet did, about 3 decades ago. And Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, stated that both companies and himself own Bitcoin. It's worthy of note that big corporations and big whales are accumulating more coins, leaving the retail investors behind. So it's advisable that believers in cryptocurrencies continue to hold their investments. While the future price of any cryptocurrency isn't predetermined, good investors need to do the research and know what they're getting themselves into. Whether it's stocks, real estate, business, crypto, or any investment, understanding the basic principle and philosophy is crucial. No one can be certain that the price of Dogecoin or any other crypto will go up or down tomorrow. What we know is the technology behind these cryptos and why and how they were created. Some days back, billionaire entrepreneur Mark Cuban deduced that Dogecoin has a special use case when compared to other cryptos. He said in a recent interview with CNBC that it's a medium of exchange that can be used for the acquisition of goods and services. The community for Doge is the strongest when it comes to using it as a medium of exchange. Elon Musk also chipped in to support Cuban's position. Such Twitter chatter would have caused a positive reaction on a regular day. However, Doge's price didn't exhibit any massive pumps this time. Its price merely moved from 29 to 30 cents in the hours that followed Musk's tweets. Doge's price always pumped whenever it received support from its online community. However, if the current monotonous trend continues, Doge's price may remain stagnant at its current level. Undeniably, the promotion of Dogecoin by entrepreneurs has helped to boost its price quite some time in the past. However, the same influencers and the community-based social media noise seem to have lost their thunder. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Don't forget to check out the links in our video description for our Patreon and Discord group, and make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, good luck and happy investing.
Perfect. That's how it goes. Hollywood perfect.